Angry protesters laid down in the middle of the road vows not to stand up till the end SARS. A Nigerian man has gone viral on social media after he laid down in the middle of the road and vowed not to stand up till the end SARS or banned them totally. Recently, youths have been out in their numbers to express their displeasure over the activities of SARS officers and their continuous presence in the state despite their ban. According to them, the officers should comply with the IGP's prohibition of SARS and personnel of other units of the Nigerian Police Force (NPF) from routine checks on the highway and within cities. During the protest, angry protesters fell to the ground and vowed not to stand up till their demands are met. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, this what laughing at. Some persons will look at the action of this young man to be crazy, or some persons will look at this young man to be a mad somebody, whereas he is not. He is not. Yes, he is not. What this young man has just done now is a clear picture of what every Nigerian will do over and over to show or to make sure that these SARS officers are completely eradicated. I am telling you, SARS in Nigeria are enemies to Nigerians. It's because you people, it's just because some of our Nigerians that are against this eradication of SARS. It's just because they have not been attacked. They have not been attacked. You see, I said something before. I said something that, look, we should not be in a hurry to point accusing fingers at these youths. We should not be, because most of these youths appear to be innocent. Most of these youths that these SARS officers arrest, most of them appear to be innocent. But these SARS officers, because of their love and quest for money and greediness and overzealous of power, they end up arresting these innocent youths, submitting them on a crime they never committed, and making them to spend unnecessarily. You see that? So, you cannot blame this young man that has decided to sleep on the ground until SARS are completely taken out of Nigeria. And I want to use this medium through this channel to reach out to the Nigerians, to reach out to the government. If possible, if the president's aides, unlike Loreto Onoche that likes talking too much, and Garba Shehu, if they can reach out to this channel, or if they can be a fan of this channel, let them get the information and try their possible to see that the president is reached out and made known of this that has just happened, so that you will see the hatred that people have for the federal SARS. They don't want to exist as security force. You take a look at it. I thought Loreto Onoche used to believe that the world doing should be world doing well. These SARS officials, are they doing the right thing? See, even their look alone is enough to excommunicate them, to dismiss them completely. The look of the SARS is enough to dismiss them. It's enough to kiss them a goodbye to the job. Don't mind if many of them will remain jobless after dismissing them or kicking them out of the job. Because they have not been doing well, because they have not been working out things well. It's because they have been committing all sorts of atrocities. What they are not supposed to commit, they keep committing it, and you expect Nigerians to be comfortable and happy with it. Is that it? See what is happening. See what is happening. I am very sure that aside from this young man, many Nigerians will be ready to do this that this young man has just done 10 times over. Only if the federal government will agree to put an end to the existence of SARS in Nigeria. You tell me why they will not support that when the SARS have been terrorizing them illegally, when SARS officials have been arresting them illegally. I was just on the road to Bagada, and I saw a SARS officer that was during the pandemic trying to arrest a boy because he wasn't using a nose mask. And I looked at it. I said, and to be frank, I wasn't using a nose mask then too, but I have it in my pocket. You understand? So I actually forgot to use it, but I have it in my pocket. So the moment I saw it, I said, okay, I quickly used mine. But along the line, I decided to remove it. I said, what is it? What is it? Let me remove it. Let me see what they're going to do. Because I have to ask myself, these SARS officers, during the pandemic, were they the one the federal government gave the instruction to arrest people with no face mask? Were they? Okay, the people given that responsibility, were they carrying out the responsibility as instructed? Were they? And even if they are carrying it out, are they carrying it out exactly the way they have been instructed to? No. During the pandemic, we are complaining of high rates of infected persons. We never knew that the executive force in Nigeria are also contributing to the increase in COVID-19 infection, because of the bribe they collect from people when they see them not using nose mask. My viewers, if I decide to keep talking, I will talk from morning to night, till next morning, from this night to the next morning, and you will keep getting it right. So please do wait to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.